This is Infi TV and you are watching Some Achar.
Namaskar and good evening. Welcome to Infi TV. Top headlines of the day. Mayawati would be riding a bicycle this time to show the mulayamness of the opposition party's election symbol. This comes after her alleged marriage with Gerard Butler, who came India to marry Priyanka Chopra instead. Kalmani bags Bharat Khatam Award, beating A. Raja, who has settled down for Padam Pradushan Award. Let us see what our special correspondent Dev Square has to tell us. Yeah, Dev Square.
Bharat Khatma Award weighs only 3 kgs, whereas Padma Pradushan Award weighs 5 kgs. This has triggered a controversy as to why the more corrupt award is given a lesser weightage. And as you all know, 5 kg minus 3 kg equal to 2 kg, and after 2G scam, this is 2 kg scam. So from Java Stream, this is Dev Square, Some Achar.
Thanks, Namaskar. Yeah. Some news from border. Rajnikant has been holding India-China border after China has declared war against India. Well, of course, you can see the sounds, you can hear the sounds of Yenna Raskala between the sounds of grenade. There is also news that a special team of Indian actresses has been sent to the Pakistani front just to fight the Pakistani army. Let us see what Dev Square can tell us about the reason behind Indian government sending a battalion of Indian actresses to the Pakistani front. Yeah, Dev Square. Can you please tell me why did Indian government send these actresses to fight against the army?
Actually, Indian government has sent those Bollywood actresses because they have deployed the new policy of Akhiyon se goli mare, so as to save money on weapons. So it has proved quite effective.
Okay, thanks Dev. Yeah. Coming on to the corporate section, Infosys has decided to pay its trainees incentive in form of onions. This is TOI, where O stands for onion. This happened because of the increasing price of onions and ever increasing demands of trainees. Some news for movie buffs. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has been offered a role in Mission Impossible 97 after his very appreciated role in Dhoom 93.5. There is some news that Campus Dadi would be casted against him. Let us see what got Campus Dadi's role in Mission Impossible.
Life is about enjoying yourself. It's like...
Let us see it once again.
Life is about enjoying yourself. It's like...
Okay, thanks. Yeah, Altaf Raja has bagged Granny Awards for being the most popular singer among the grannies. This is because of his very popular song of the recomposed song Didi Tera Devar Dimana. Let us see what Dev Square has to tell us from Delhi Darbar. Yeah, Dev Square.
Yeah, the atmosphere here is very electric and I am also feeling some electric shocks here. And Altaf Raja is performing live and he is still alive, so let's hear from him.
Fine. Yeah, there's news that Munni and Sheila are facing ASHI charges from the male community of India. Moving on to the sports section, there's a news that Inzamam Haq has resigned from the Pakistani team just before the World Cup. He has joined Manchester United and has renamed it as Manchester Divided because he believes in the policy of divide and rule. Let us talk to his mom. Yeah, Inzam. Yeah, can you please tell us why did you rename the club?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah Ta'ala ki meherbani se boys played well.
Thanks. Yeah. Rahul Dravid has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Fevikwik because of his sticking nature to the wickets. Last, coming over to the weather section, global warming has increased in India because of Munni and Sheila. They were spotted in some skimpy clothes. Katrina has already hit India 2 weeks before. And the weather of Mysore has become sore, so I won't bore you anymore.
You were watching Infi TV because this is your Infi. This is your Infi.